Once upon a time, the Land family went on a trip to Tahoe, and they almost escaped until something struck them. So don't sit back, don't relax, and feel the suspense as the Land family escapes the Tahoe Blizzard. And now, Infinity Pictures presents the Tahoe Blizzard. Day after Christmas, we're leaving Tahoe. Should be easy.
Gee, the traffic is really bad. Look at the line.
How long have we even been here?
Oh my, we've been here for 3 hours. And how long have we moved so far? Oh my god, just 1 mile? 1 mile in 3 hours?
Oh my god, it's snowing really hard now. Look at that truck, it's all covered in snow, and oh my god, there are like no people out there.
We only have 10 miles left. What are we gonna do?
Turn around, we gotta turn around now.
Oh my gosh, it's already 5 p.m. That means we have to stay one extra night. We have to find a new hotel.
So we did just that. And we found a charging station. Oh wow, even the charger was covered in snow. Then we stayed at another hotel. 2 stars. But honestly, it was nice. Then the next day, we arrived safely back home.
Oh my god. You want something again?
California sunshine.
Oh my, finally.
It's a long drive.
It was.
Life-threatening drive.
The end. Hi, did you enjoy that clip? I sure did. That was amazing. Amazing. Love all the drama. But where are the other videos, Director Marcus? I'll show you. Click on that video or that video to check out more videos just like the one you just saw. And oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing movies just like these two and this one you just watched. Bye.